eyes. Your focus is dead, not weak, not a little disorganized. Dead. When was the last time you sat for 30 minutes without touching your phone? You don't remember. Of course you don't. You're not just distracted. You now have the attention span of a 7-year-old child. Every 10 seconds, your eyes search for something new. Every minute, your brain wants an escape. Every serious task feels like you're lifting a mountain. And the real disaster, you think this is normal. You think everyone is like this. No, not everyone. Some people are building skills with 2 straight hours of focus. Some people are finishing entire books while you can't finish a single page. Some are upgrading their lives. And you're upgrading your scrolling muscle. You know what's most dangerous? You've made peace with your weakness. You started saying, it's just the times we live in. Our generation is like this. That's just how I am. No, that's not your personality. That's daily training in becoming weaker. Every notification you open, every time you say just 1 minute, you are performing rituals that kill your focus. And here's what should scare you. If you continue like this for 1 more year, you won't just be distracted. You'll be average, replaceable. Anyone with slightly more focus than you will destroy you. The question is not, how do I focus? The question is, do you even have any focus left to save? If this provokes you, good. Because if it doesn't, you're already gone. You think your distraction is just a trait, or your personality. No, it's programmed brainwashing. Tech companies spend billions studying how to trap your eyes inside the screen. They are stealing the most valuable thing you have, your ability to make decisions. Right now, your brain releases dopamine from nothing. You're getting rewards without effort. And the result? Anything real in life, studying, working, training, now feels like unnecessary suffering to your brain. You are slowly dying while laughing at memes, the brutal solutions. If you want control back, you must treat yourself like an addict in rehab. Not someone who needs motivation, someone who needs structure. The grayscale phone. Go to your settings. Turn your screen black and white. Those bright colors are bait for your eyes. When your phone becomes dull and boring, its attraction drops dramatically. Turn your phone into a dead piece of metal. The 20-second rule. Anything that distracts you. Put 20 seconds of effort between you and it. Want to open Instagram or Facebook? Delete it from your phone. Access it only from a browser. Use a long, complicated password. Make it inconvenient. Your lazy brain hates friction. It will stop asking for what requires effort. The cell environment. Your workspace must be clean. No temptations. The phone is not in your pocket, not on your desk. It's in another room, off. If your phone is within your visual field, your cognitive capacity drops, even if you don't touch it. That's not motivation talk. That's research. Focus blocks. Start with 25 minutes of deep work. No checking the clock. No touching anything. Then 5 minutes of rest. No phone. Just water. Breathe. Repeat 4 times. These are warrior sessions. You are forcing your neural pathways to rebuild themselves. Information fasting. You do not need the news. You do not need to know who fought who. You do not need the latest trend. Every useless piece of information consumes processing power. For the next 90 days, shut it down. If something truly important happens, you will hear about it. The 5-second rule. The moment your brain says, get up, study, and resistance starts. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move immediately. Do not give your older, comfort-seeking brain time to negotiate. You are the leader, not your feelings. Paper writing. Every night, take a pen and paper. Dump the garbage in your head. Write, today I wasted time on this. Tomorrow I will control this. Writing by hand activates commitment centers in your brain that your phone never will. Who will succeed in the next 10 years? Not the smartest, not the richest. The one who can focus. Focus is becoming rare currency. If you stay like this, you become a gear in a machine, easily replaced by AI or by someone cheaper and sharper than you. Without focus, you have no future. You are just a number in someone else's analytics. These 90 days are not optional. They are a life-saving operation for your dignity and your mind. I'm not telling you this to discourage you. I'm telling you because I see the version of you that got lost inside screens. Focus is not just a skill. It is your only weapon in a world trying to reduce you to nothing. If you control your focus, you control your life. This channel isn't built for views. It's built to be your shield, to remind you that you are stronger than any algorithm, to give you back the mind that was stolen. So I need a decision from you right now. Don't start this journey alone. Send this video to the friend who is as lost as you. Agree that you'll begin the 90 days together. Make it a challenge. Who takes their life back first? And if you have no one, the comments are our operation room. Right, I'm starting. Not a promise to me, a promise to yourself. Come back exactly 90 days from now. Not to say you tried, but to show who you became. Subscribe, turn on notifications. Not to support me, but so we keep knocking on your mind every time you try to escape. Like the video so it reaches someone else. You might save a mind that was about to collapse. The 90 days have started. No countdown, no preparation, no when I feel ready. There is only a decision. Either you rebuild your mind, or you let it rust. Choose.